In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload an image to your content studio. We're going to walk through this process together in a simple and clear way so you can follow along on your own screen without any confusion. This is a quick task, but it's important to understand what each part of the process does so you can move through your dashboard confidently. To begin, look over to the left-hand menu in your workspace and click the content icon. This is the area where your media and stored assets are managed, so if you ever need to organize or add files, this is the section you'll usually start from. Once you click it, you'll be taken into the content area of the platform. Next, select My Files to open your Content Studio. This is where your uploaded assets are stored in one central place, making it easier to access them later when you need them for projects, posts, or other content-related work. If your library already contains files, you may see thumbnails, folders, or previously uploaded items here. That's completely normal, and it simply means you're in the right place. Now, go to the top right of the dashboard and click the Upload button. This button is what allows you to bring a new file from your computer into the platform. After clicking it, a file browser window will appear. This window connects to your computer's local storage so you can choose the image you want to add. From there, locate and select the target image file from your computer. Take a moment to make sure you're choosing the correct file, especially if you have several similar images saved in the same folder. It can help to double check the file name or preview, if available, before moving on. Once the correct image is selected, click Open. This confirms your selection and begins syncing the file to your cloud library. Depending on the file size and your internet connection, the upload may take a few seconds. After it finishes, the image should appear in your content studio where it will be available for future use. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded an image to your content studio. If you're uploading multiple assets, you can repeat the same process as needed. Taking a moment to keep your files organized here can save time later and make your workflow much smoother.